It was the night before Christmas, and the house was full of quiet excitement. Lights glowed softly. Snow rested on the windows. But something felt different. On the shelf sat grandmother's old sleigh bell. She didn't visit this year. She used to ring it every Christmas morning. Just once. And this year, it didn't ring. Every Christmas, Eli remembered the bell ringing with a bright, happy sound. But no matter how gently it was shaken now. Nothing. Not even a whisper. He turned the bell over slowly, looking for a crack, a loose piece. Anything that could explain the silence. Inside the bell, something small was tucked away. A folded note? The note was old, written in grandmother's handwriting. It said, "Some things don't need to be loud to be real. Listen with your heart." Eli held the bell close. It wasn't broken. It wasn't gone. It was simply quiet. And Eli realized it didn't need to ring anymore. Because the feeling it carried was already there. The bell was placed back on the shelf. The room felt warm again. And even without a sound, the magic of Christmas filled the space. Soft, steady, and still very real.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you can like the video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more great stories like this one. Until next time, keep listening with your heart.
We care and lend a hand, we'll make things better just as planned. Guaranteed to have a happy ending.